Hi everyone. While I was watering plants this evening, these sunflowers caught my eye and motivated to make a video with how to grow information. Sunflowers are very easy to grow from seed vegetable. Seeds do not need to soak, but if you want to make them germinate faster, then you can soak them but not more than 24 hours. Look at this beautiful dense flower. Petals are so thick and giving the feel like fabric when touched. Look at the pattern of sunflower buds. They germinate in late spring, bloom during the summer, and die back at the first frost of fall. When considering how to grow a sunflower that lasts all summer, the best plan is to plant your sunflowers every few weeks to extend bloom time. I have sowed my seeds in early March and found them germinated in a week and have been growing without any issues. These can be replanted for the first month of growing easily. I have seen these plants before and now also while I'm walking in neighborhood, but those are not as big as these flowers. Heads are really big in size, which made plants bend down as you see here. These two plants grew 12 and 15 feet each. Sunflowers add a splash of color to almost any home garden. Although many types of sunflowers look like they have just one giant flower, in reality each flower head is composed of thousands of tiny blooms. If you see this sunflower closely, you can see hundreds of small flowers bloomed inside this big flower. Each flower produces a fruit when successfully pollinated, which is sunflower seed. Sunflower need full sun. See 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. The more the better if you are trying to grow them to their maximum potential. Seeds showing on screen now are the one growing in my garden now. These takes 90 to 95 days to bloom and need full sun. This is another plant which was replanted during beds making. So this is small compared to other plants. This now started forming the flower. Another plant is growing this tomato side. Flower is in limited size compared to other two big flowers. So plant is in perfect shape. I'm trying to cover the flower top by climbing on a chair. Sunflowers do not require fertilizing. However, because they grow vigorously, people say it's a good idea to add some slow acting granular fertilizer to especially poor thin soil. But don't think I have given them some fertilizer by looking at the size of these sunflowers. I did not give them anything. I am going to harvest them when ready to use, and I'm going to use them by making some snacks because sunflower seeds are rich in B complex vitamins which are essential for a healthy nervous system, and also having phosphorus, iron, protein, and vitamin E, and so on. That's all about my sunflowers, friends. Let me know if you have any questions. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you next time.